was on a busy thoroughfare. The holidays were nigh. The streets were in a tumult with prosperous passers-by. Beneath a corner lamppost there stood in mute appeal a ragged waif whose hungry eyes would melt a heart of steel. Yet no one noticed her, each trod upon his selfish path. One even thrust her savagely out of his way in wrath. She tottered, was about to fall. A copper stood between. Then gravely he reproached the man for what a cur he'd been. She's only a bootlegger's child, boy, with every right to live, helping her daddy to peddle his rum, trusting that pity will give. Out in the wildest of weather, garbed in an old tattered shawl, starving and chilled, soon her pulse will be still. She's a leaf on life's tree, soon to fall. On a plush upholstered sofa, two of the younger set sit, while Cupid's gentle rascal hovers nigh. Yet can it be perhaps the girl regrets it? How otherwise the meaning of her sigh? Ah, Jack, she says, as well you know I'm young and innocent. Just listen then to what I say, ere further we have went. Before you ask me to believe you love me, please definitely show me your respect. Just treat me as you'd wish your sister treated, no matter in what way I you affect. For love without respect is base as metal. My woman's brain assures me I'm not wrong. So if you are the gent I grew to think you, kindly see you keep your hands where they belong.